Welcome to my first development video. My name is Josh and I'm going to slog my way through the development of a video game. The game is going to be written in Python because that's my favorite language. Anytime I do this, there will be a link down the about this video area. Okay, about the game. The game I'm going to write will be a baseball simulator game. Eventually, you'll be able to control a franchise, simulate games, seasons, or tournaments. You'll be able to do trades, perform drafts, look at prospects, train players, sign free agents, trade players, fire players, send players to the farm leagues. If you're at all familiar with the Football Manager series, the final product will be hopefully something like that, but for baseball. There will be two play modes, either a pure simulation mode where you simply set lineups and let things take their course, or a more interactive mode where you can decide when to pinch hit, when to call in the bullpen, or when to put on the hit and run. Someday there may be some sort of multiplayer modes where you can go head to head or even play in large leagues against many other people. Hopefully that gives you a clear picture of what the target looks like. Obviously it's not something I can bang out in a long weekend. This vlog is meant to keep you up to date on my progress, perhaps inspire others to get involved, and also it might help you learn a little bit about video game development. For the record, I'm no expert in the field, and I plan to learn a lot along the way. On to the development environment. I do most of my work on a Mac, but I'll be testing across Mac and Windows and making sure everything works. I tend the final product to be Linux compatible as well for all you neckbeards. I don't typically code in an IDE, I'm just using a text editor called Sublime. For Python we'll be using 2.7. At least tentatively I'll be using Pygame, but that's subject to change. I may switch to something like Pyglet or something else for the graphics. Pygame is popular, it works, and there's a large community around it for support. The other libraries I make use of outside of the standard libraries are Coverage and Pylint, but I'm thinking of switching out Pylint for Pyflakes or something that's generally better. For the database backend, I'm using SQLite, which is built into Python, but you probably want to get the SQLite 3 command line tool. The code is all hosted on Bitbucket. Feel free to send a pull request. All the unit tests run using the built-in Python unit test library. There's around 280 unit tests so far, and we have full test coverage. With that being said, check out my next video and we'll find out where we are.